Guys, welcome to another episode of Pureskate. There is going to be no in-game volume on this recording because my speaker has decided that today it's not going to work. So, hang on, that's the guy we're using, isn't it? Yeah. So, where's that? Wait. There's weird little, like, pipe work and stuff there. I've never noticed that before. Yeah, let's go, yeah. Enough chit-chat. Yeah, let's see if we can do so. I was at the school. Yeah, there may be in-game volume on the next couple coming up, but because, like, I don't know what it is, my speaker has decided today it's not going to work. So what I'm probably doing is plugging it into a docking station and having it on the docking station and low volume, but just so there is some in-game volume, because that just sucks about it. This episode is going to seem really quiet, but yeah. I don't know what we're going to try and do today, and as background noise goes, my window's open, my door is open, my fan is on. This weather is killing me. It's horrible. Like, I've uploaded, the last two episodes I've uploaded so far at the moment, I don't know whether this is my YouTube, like, not showing me the views, but no one's viewed them. Like, lots of people viewed up to the fifth one, no, fourth, but, like, my fifth and sixth, well, my sixth one's only been up a couple of hours, when I say a couple of hours, like, during the night time, so, I'm not explaining that, but, like, my fifth one's been up, like, a day and a bit now. Did I offend people in one of my other videos? I don't know. I feel like I've done something wrong though. But, I don't know. Right, anyway, I just hope you guys are enjoying what I'm doing, really. And yeah, again, just I want to know what you want to see me record. Whether I may start my Minecraft thing up again soon, because uploading one a day seems to be a pretty, like, I quite like recording and uploading. Especially because, like, I'm on a massive holiday, and it's something to do. And it's quite cool. 180 half flip, happy with that. Let's go to the roof. Yeah, I don't know, I'm gonna be recording something else as well. It's a race, 10 seconds to get to the roof. My guy's starting to be so slow, go! No, we're not making this. Oh yeah, it might annoy you, but I've got it on so you never, like, I don't have to automatically push. It's, like, always push, because trying to do, like, the skate and then do tricks at the same time, I couldn't do it. Like, my friend's got this game as well, and he could do it, and I was like, but how? Transfer? No. That's one of them, isn't it? Anyway, go, stop quickly. Stats and goals. 180, the air level transfer. That's what I'm going to try and do. I've never done that. I've never actually completed this one before. Alright, let's get some speed going. Oh, my guy's refusing to ollie now. See, I hate when it does that. You're holding the board down so it should snap back, but it doesn't. Alright, come on, we got this, we got this, this we have got. See, look, my guy is now refusing to ollie again. What's going on? My iPod is ridiculously hot right now. It's horrible. Inward hill for AM. Oh, stop. Fuck. This is going to really bug me now if my guy gets really thick. I hate the fact there's grass here as well. It doesn't need to be grass here. Oh, he did a nollie. He actually did a nollie. Come on, hard flip. Right, let's go for this one. No, see, like, if he doesn't ollie, then the height you go up is so much less. So if I ollie, then I'll get some height, but at the moment my guy's refusing to ollie. Stop doing that. Landing awkwardly and not ollieing and being a general douche. Come on, this one. No. We got up here. That's a step in the right direction. I don't think I'm going to be able to do this one, to be honest. I mean, like, what's that? That's the other thing. What's... Oh, see that? Then he does it. What's that? But yeah, is there any, like, special type of game want me to record? Like a racing game, a shooting game? I don't know, anything. I am open to all things. You have a skill point, so... I'm going to put it on ollies. What other things is there for me to do? Let's try. I want to try tail slide the beaches. The bleachers. I said beaches. And who would have that? This super school's got like a random bit of wire that just hangs out and then stops. Like, I know it's for grinding, for you to grind and stuff, but I think it's really dumb. At least they could have made it go to like a telegraph pole or something. I get really bitchy when I'm hot. It's true. I'm just like, this is stupid. Why would this even exist? Right, come on, I need you to 180. Oh, and ollie would help as well. Why is it... They get away with refusing to ollie. This is going to be a bitch. This episode is going to be really bad. I just don't think I'm going to achieve anything. He's refusing to ollie. It's really dumb. Like, he'll ollie when I don't need him to, but then when I need him to, he doesn't. I remember I completed like this house like the bleachers really easily last time, but I couldn't tell you at all how I did it. Right, come on. And I hate that as well when you're going really slowly and you can't get off whatever you're grinding. 50-50, come on. Alright, quickly, in the last 38 seconds, because now I'm getting this, I'm going to try and get the 5-0 slide the sign. So, now, he ollie 180s. See, look, what is this? Can I get out of here, please? Stop. Alright, come on. Come on. Just so I've completed something. So look, I can't get off. There is no way of me getting off that. Unless I fail. Alright, come on, what is this? Oh, now he's glitched out. Rail slide, no. This episode's been a bit shit, to be honest. I'm sorry, guys. I'll probably upload this later, because I'm going out pretty soon. So yeah, thanks for watching. Sorry for it being shit and no in-game volume. There will be on the next whatever I upload. There will be, but yeah. So thank you for watching. Like, leave a comment, subscribe, and tell me what you want me to play, or what genre of game you want me to play. Leave it in the comments. Thank you for watching, and bye.